Efa wonko asante mantemu na yenyina Obuasi East abato empesua so penyo no na ehwese NDC amanyoko ne bema na kwanya na wakogina wo manamu akopre emrase bedwa abato no na wodi nkono ehwese empotebonom no enwuma eni ho ne senti so mafo no edum na wobabiebie enwuma tete wo mo besua ensanodwuma no se de ben na omasetine mu ebekonkan Samuel Abuaje editor Adom Kasee amaneboni Isaac no menyo anim ewo party no atena ya ewo tutuka Obuasi ya ochese if be se afiapem ahankro aduokronsia wo mo ehyase eto aba no omanfo wo no ato aba no akoba bi fako a eye MPP wo se braso a ewo so omanfo no esisem na wonya ensakreye ne empuntu na ne sode hunu eni se wo no ebedi so ese emrase bedwani a odinsanodwuma ebeba ama emabonyina anya biaye na omonso atumi abomobra
You lack the proper political leadership and direction because in Pempino, we share the kind of leadership over the years. Your experience here, there is no hope, especially with this current political leadership. There is no future for the youth and generation of Obuasi East constituency. And it's a imagine say 2020 me by delegates can say Minyabutre, your current member of parliament, another term. But Ocean first term and the second term, and mother another term of crack and so also. Obuasi is with the nursing training, member of the right political leadership. Nursing training now make coming. Yami Adma Eba, Edim Puntujuma, Ebeba, at the development burden. Obuasi is lacking the political leadership and direction. That's how I put it. And it's a woman imagine say 2024. Remember Jimmy Malfo, the mining area. In Pempino and Caneno and Logo. Now I'm training to Memophone, no more for Mojuma. But here is the case, mining on Moya Sesiano, or Mufa Regime, or Mufobia, or one San Huma. And so, as a political leadership, as a political leader, also creating opportunity, Emma Omanfo. So, you the technical training and vocation training center. Ebeba Obuasi is near to team Mebunu, especially for Anglogo. So, by our Chilabinu, yen two stories be to say, oh, you need the requisite skills, yet before the wedding, eventually opportunity. It's about to tell me, I want some question welding, I want some question IT. Omo person question all and sign to mining yam the Bemo Punya, Omo question, as a mining company, a funny power, almost be opportunity.